All right, we want to do problem 318. That's a sort of mating problem. Let's do part A first. What is the probability that a randomly chosen male respondent or his partner has blue eyes? So let's see. The rows represent male eye color while the columns represent female eye color. So these are the males that have blue eyes in this top row here, and these are the females that have blue eyes in this column here. What is the probability that a randomly chosen male respondent or his partner has blue eyes? So let's look at just the males having blue eyes. Let's find out how many males have blue eyes here. So we have the first one gives us 69 males, and then the next one is 24 males, because this is a male with blue eyes and a female partner with brown eyes. And then this is 26 for the male that has blue eyes and the partner who has green eyes. And then the females that have blue eyes, well, that's this column right here, so it's going to be 69. Let's see, 14, and then 6. So how many males have blue eyes total? Let's go ahead and just find that out. We'll sum all these things together. Boop, 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 boop. Cool. Oh, well, that's so silly. There's 119 of the males have blue eyes. Oh my goodness, that was so silly. I'll just write that here. Total males with blue eyes. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I just did that. And then, well, we don't have to do this one, right? This is the total. That's total females with blue eyes, and that's just going to be 89. Okay, so I'll just do 89 there. Let's see, but let's do part A now. So what is the probability that a randomly chosen male respondent or his partner has blue eyes? So the probability that a male respondent has blue eyes, so probably the male has blue eyes, well, that's going to be equal to 119 divided by the total number of people that there are, right? 190. I'm going to have to type that out again, so that's going to be equal to 119 divided by 190. The probability that we have a female with blue eyes, well, that's going to, wait, no, this is wrong. I'm sorry. This is 119, not 199. There we go. Female with blue eyes, well, that's going to be equal to 89 divided by 190. Right? And so we want the probability that they have either the male or the female partner has blue eyes, but notice that we have double counted, right? The 69 represents these couples, but these are all the same couples here, right? Where the male and the female have blue eyes. So we counted it when we went for the males, and then we counted it again when we went for the females. So what we need to do is we need to subtract that out. We need to subtract out that duplication. The formula looks like this. Probability A, well, let's write it up. Probability A or B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. A and B, that's where they overlap. So let's go ahead and do that. Probability of male or female with blue eyes equals this probability here, the male with blue eyes. So we'll go ahead and A equals the probability males with, I'm going to abbreviate a little bit, plus the probability of females with blue minus the probability of male and female with blue eyes. There we go. Whew. Alright, so let's go ahead and compute that. The probability, take this first part, just copy that. We'll go ahead and fill in this cell here. The male with blue, the probability of the males with blue is this one. Boop. Plus the probability of female with blue, is that one, minus the place where they overlap. Well, we decided they overlap at the 69 individuals out of 190. And we get 73.158. There we go. So that's how we do part A. Right. When we're doing our general OR statements, we have to take probability of one event plus probability of the other event minus the place where they overlap, because they're not mutually exclusive. Maybe we'll do a different one. Maybe we'll do C. Should we do C? Alright, let's do part C also. What is the probability that a randomly chosen male respondent with brown eyes has a partner with blue eyes? So let's randomly chosen male respondent with brown eyes. So these are all the male respondents with brown eyes here in this row, right? What is the probability that the randomly chosen male respondent has a partner with blue eyes? So there are 47 total male partners with brown eyes, and there are 14 of them with blue eyes. So maybe we can just do equals 14. There are 14 male respondents out of the 47 total. Well, that seems great. I didn't type it all out. Alright, feel free to post if you have any more questions. Let's see if it's right. Oh, okay, it's totally good. Alright, that's good. Feel free to post if you have any more questions. Thanks. Bye. Bye.